In this question, we have to find which of the following compound can show geometrical isomerism. So, for any molecule to show geometrical isomerism in alkene, it must have two sp2 hybridized atom with individually different units on each sp2 hybridized atom. So, A must not equal to B and D must not equal to E. If any molecule follow this condition, now this molecule will show Gi. Now if we take first example, now carbon double bond carbon, H and C2H5. So at right terminal groups are different, but at left terminal both are same. So this molecule will not show Gi. Now if we take second option, now groups attached and left side and right side both are identical, these two are identical, these two are identical, so this molecule will also not show Gi. If we take third example, carbon double bond carbon, H and CH3 and H and C6H5. Now groups attached at left side are individually different. H and C6H5, they are not equal. H and CH3, they are different. So now this molecule will show Gi. If we take example 4, now this molecule is having identical group on right side carbon, hence this molecule will also not show Gi, and hence correct answer is C. Stereoisomer have different. So if two molecules are stereoisomer, they have different arrangement of atom or groups in space, so they have different configuration. For example, if we are having molecule C4H8, so by using this molecular formula we can form two structure. Now this molecule is butene having both CH3 units on same direction, so this molecule is having cis configuration. And in other molecule both CH3 groups are attached in opposite direction, so this molecule is having trans configuration. Now these two molecules have same molecular formula, both molecule having molecular formula C4H8. Now both molecule are having same structural formula or same connectivity of atom, both molecule are having double bond at second carbon, so both molecule are 2-butene, but they have different configuration or different arrangement of atom in space, hence stereoisomer have different configuration. Their molecular mass is same, both molecule are having same molecular formula and molecular mass. Geometrical isomer differ in, so if two molecules are geometrical isomer, they differ in arrangement of atom in space. For example, 1,2-dichloroethene is having both Cl group on same direction, so now this is cis configuration, and if Cl groups are attached in opposite direction, now this is trans configuration. So these molecules have different arrangement of atom in space. In first molecule both Cl atoms are present in same direction, so cis. In this molecule both Cl atoms are present in opposite direction, hence its configuration is trans, and hence correct answer is B. Geometrical isomerism is shown by, so for any molecule to show geometrical isomerism in alkene, it must have individually different units on terminal. For example, these two are sp2 hybridized atom. Now atoms attached with sp2 hybridized atom must be different, so A must not equal to B and D must not equal to E. So any molecule if follow this condition will show Gi. Now if we consider first example, these two hydrogen are identical, so this molecule will not show Gi. Now if we consider second example, now H and CH3 are different, so groups attached with left side sp2 carbon are different, and now groups attached at right carbon I and Br are different. So both the atoms, both the sp2 hybridized atom have individually different unit on terminal, so this will show Gi. While if we take option C, now these two CH3 are same, so this molecule will not show Gi. In option D, left groups attached at left carbon are different, but group attached at right carbon are same, so this molecule will not show Gi, and hence correct answer is B. Which of the following will not show cis-trans isomerism? So for geometrical isomerism in alkene, groups attached with sp2 carbon must be individually different. A must not equal to B and D must not equal to E. And to show cis-trans isomerism, both sp2 carbon have at least one atom same. So if consider first example, now this molecule at sp2 carbon, these two are same. So if A and B are identical, then molecule will not show Gi. Now if we take second option, now H, C double bond C, H, CH2, CH3, these two are individually different, and at left carbon H and isopropyl groups are attached. So groups attached left side and right side both are different. A is not equal to B and D is not equal to E. So this molecule will show Gi. Now for cis-trans isomerism, both sp2 carbon have at least one common atom. So hydrogen is common in both the carbon. So now this is cis configuration, and if at one carbon hydrogen is written opposite side, then configuration will be trans. So now this molecule will show cis-trans configuration. Now if we take example C, now this molecule has both H and CH3 common on each carbon, and groups attached at left carbon are different, individually different. So now this molecule will also show cis-trans isomerism. If groups are attached on same direction, then configuration is cis, and in opposite direction, then configuration is trans. In option D, this molecule is also having individually different unit on each carbon, and one hydrogen is common in both. So this molecule will also show cis-trans isomerism. Only molecule given in option A will not show Gi because both CH3 units are identical, and we have to find which will not show Gi, and hence correct answer is A. Which is pair of geometrical isomer? So in this question we have to find pair which are having geometrical isomeric relation between each other. Now if we consider first example and second example, these molecules have different molecular formula. In fact, first this compound will not show Gi. Now second molecule will show Gi. Third molecule is having different molecular formula from second, so second and third cannot be Gi. Now if we consider molecule 4, now second and fourth are having same molecular formula. The only difference is spatial arrangement of chlorine atom. Now in first molecule Cl and Br are present in same direction, while fourth molecule Cl and Br are present in opposite direction. So they are geometrical isomer of each other, and hence correct answer is C. Cis-trans isomerism is shown by. So for any molecule to show cis-trans isomerism, it must have individually different units on terminal, and for cis-trans isomerism, each sp2 atom must have at least one atom common or one group common. So in example 1, now this is CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2 and CH3. So now these two are individually different. So left side and right side, both side groups attached are different. Now on each carbon CH3 unit and C2H5 unit is common. Hence this molecule, when both CH3 are present in opposite direction, is trans configuration. And if we change arrangement, and in new arrangement both CH3 are present on same direction, then that molecule will be cis. So option A will show cis trans isomerism. In option B, these two groups are common, and if these two groups are identical, then this molecule will not show GI. In this molecule, left hand side, H and C2H5 are present, which are different, but at right side, both are hydrogen, so this molecule will not show GI. In those molecule, groups attached and right carbon and groups attached at left carbon, both are identical, and hence this molecule will not show GI, and hence correct answer is which of the following compound will show GI. So for geometrical isomerism, if heteroatoms are present, now C double bond N, in nitrogen one atom is lone pair, and now A, B. So these A must not equal to B. Now atom A may be hydrogen or any other atom. So if we consider first example, now C double bond N, lone pair and OH. So one is lone pair and other is OH. So these two are different group. Now at carbon H and CH3 are present. So now this molecule will show GI. If we take option B, then groups attached at nitrogen are different. One is lone pair and one is NH2, while at left side CH2 units are present which are identical, so this molecule will not show GI. In option C, groups attached with nitrogen are different. One is lone pair and other is OH, while at carbon CH3 units are present, so these two are identical, so this molecule will not show GI. In example D, lone pair and NH2 units are present which are different, but at left hand side units are identical, and hence this molecule will not show GI, no GI, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find which will show geometrical isomerism. So for any cyclic compound to show geometrical isomerism, it must contain two sp3 hybridized atom with individually different units. So if A is not equal to B and D is not equal to E, and these atoms are sp3 hybridized, then this molecule will show GI. Now we take first example. Now in this molecule, these two atoms are sp3 hybridized having two different unit OH and H. So this molecule will show GI around these two carbon atom. So first will show GI. Now if we consider second molecule, now this molecule is having these two atoms which are sp3 hybridized and different unit H and Br. So this molecule will show GI around these two carbon. Now if we consider example third, now in this molecule these two atoms are sp3 hybridized having two different unit. A is not equal to B, one is hydrogen and one is cyclopropyl, so this molecule will show GI around these two carbon. While if we consider example 4, now this molecule will not show GI because it is not having any two sp3 hybridized atom with different unit, and hence correct answer is 1, 2 and 3. In this question we have to find which of the following compound can show geometrical isomerism. Now first molecule is having sp2 hybridized atom, so this is alkene molecule, and at left carbon both groups are different, but at right carbon both atoms are identical, and hence this molecule will not show GI. Now if we consider next molecule, now this molecule is alkylidene cycloalkene. So to show geometrical isomerism, it must have different units on sp2 carbon, but these two units are identical, so this molecule will not show GI. Now if we consider third example, now this is alene molecule, and any alene molecule will show GI if number of bonds are odd Now this molecule A is not equal to B and D is not equal to E. So this molecule will show GI, but if even numbers of bonds are present, now this molecule will not show GI, rather than this molecule will show OI when A is not equal to B and D is not equal to E. So this molecule will not show geometrical isomerism. Now if we consider next molecule, now this molecule is having double bond and ring, but around double bond these two units are identical, so this will not show GI around double bond. But this molecule is having ring, and on this ring there are two sp3 hybridized carbon which are having different unit H and CH3. So this molecule will show GI around these two carbon atom, and hence correct answer is D. Which of the following does not show geometrical isomerism? So if we draw a structure of these molecule, now 1,2-dichloro-1-pentene. So 1-pentene means 5 carbon. At first carbon and second carbon chlorine is present. Now this molecule will show GI because around double bond these two sp2 hybridized carbon have individually different unit H and Cl and normal propyl. So first molecule will show GI around double bond. Now second example, 1,3-dichloro-2-pentene. Now this molecule is 1,3-dichloro and 2-pentene. Now this molecule is having different units on sp2 hybridized carbon, so this molecule will show GI. Now if we consider third example, 1,1-dichloro-1-pentene. Now this molecule is 1,1-dichloro-1-pentene. Now this molecule will not show geometrical isomerism because there are identical atom on sp2 hybridized carbon, so this molecule will not show geometrical isomerism. Now if we consider option 4, 1,2-dichloro-1,4-dichloro-2-pentene. So 1,4-dichloro-2-pentene will show GI because around double bond these two atoms are different, two groups are different on sp2 hybridized carbon, so this molecule will show GI, and correct answer is C. This molecule will not show GI. Which of the following compound will show geometrical isomerism? So if we the structure of 2-butene, now 2-butene will show geometrical isomerism if both hydrogen atoms are present in opposite direction, then this is trans configuration. If both hydrogen atoms are present on same direction, now this is cis configuration. So first molecule will show GI. Now if we draw a structure of propene molecule, now propene molecule will not show GI because on this sp2 hybridized carbon these two atoms are identical. Now if we consider 2-phenyl-propene, now this molecule is 2-phenyl-propene, but this molecule will not show GI because these two atoms are identical on sp2 hybridized carbon. Now 2-methyl-2-butene, now this molecule is 2-methyl-2-butene, but this molecule will also not show geometrical isomerism because these two groups attached with sp2 hybridized carbon are identical, while at this carbon atoms are different. But to show geometrical isomerism, both sp2 hybridized carbon must have individually different unit, and hence correct answer is A. Rest molecule will not show geometrical isomerism. Which of the following show geometrical isomerism? So if we consider first example, now around this double bond groups attached with sp2 carbon at left side are different. First atom is carbon, so there is no difference. Moving forward, here we are getting CH2, but here CH. So groups attached at left side are different, but moving in right hand direction, first we are getting CH2, moving forward we are again getting CH2, so no different from right side, hence this molecule will not show GI. Now if we take example B, now in this molecule this is combination of ring and double bond. So any molecule which is having ring combination of ring and double bond, and number of ring plus double bond is equal to odd with different units on terminal will show GI. Now this molecule is having 2 ring and 1 double bond, so value is 3, so odd. Now units on terminal are different, H and Cl, so this molecule will show GI. Now if consider example C, so this is biphenyl molecule, and biphenyl molecule having different units. So any biphenyl molecule having crowded atoms at ortho position will show optical isomerism, because this is non-planar molecule. One ring is vertical and one ring is horizontal. So this molecule will not show GI, rather than this will show OI. So C will not show GI. Now if we take example 4, now groups attached with this sp2 hybridized carbon are different, H and CH3, but groups attached at right side carbon, these two groups are identical, hence this molecule will not show GI, and hence correct answer is B, which can show geometrical isomerism. So now we have cyclic compound, or for any cyclic compound to show geometrical isomerism, no matter how many atoms are present in ring, where they are situated, but if we are getting two sp3 hybridized atom with different units on them, then molecule will show GI. Now in first example there are no sp3 hybridized atom with different units, so this molecule will not show GI. In example B, these two carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized and they are having different unit H and pH on these carbon, so this molecule will show geometrical isomerism around these two carbon, and hence B will show GI. Now in option C, we are not having any ring which is having two sp3 hybridized atom, while one sp3 hybridized atom is present in ring and one sp3 in this ring, but still both sp3 hybridized atoms are not present in same ring, so this molecule will not show geometrical isomerism. And fourth example, this molecule will also not show GI, and hence correct answer is B. Which of the following compound can show geometrical isomerism? So if we consider first example, in this example both nitrogen atoms are present on same direction, we can draw its another structure in which both nitrogen atom may have different arrangement in space, different areal distance between them, so we can draw its geometrical isomer. Now due to presence of bulky group at ortho position, here rotation is restricted, so these cannot be converted into one another just by rotating bond. Now in these two molecule, both nitrogen atoms are present in same direction. In this, nitrogen atoms are present in opposite direction. Now due to presence of crowded atoms on ortho position, rotation is restricted, so these molecules cannot be converted to one another at room temperature, and hence these both are geometrical isomer of each other. Now if we consider example B is having various multiple bond, but GI is not observed around this double bond because groups attached at this carbon are identical. Now geometrical isomerism is also not observed around this carbon because these two hydrogen atoms are identical. Now if we consider around this alene system, now any alene molecule which is having odd number of bond and different unit on terminal will show GI. Here 1, 2, 3 multiple bonds are present and groups attached H and vinyl, and here also H and vinyl are different, so this molecule will also show GI. Now if we consider example C, pent 3 1 ene, so pent total 5 carbon in main chain, at first carbon multiple triple bond is present and at third carbon double bond is present. Now molecule will not show GI around triple bond but this molecule will show geometrical isomerism around this double bond because groups attached with sp2 carbon are different H and CH3, H and ethinyl. So this molecule will show GI around this double bond. So in this question, geometrical isomerism is observed around all given compound, and hence correct answer is D. Which of the following compound cannot show GI? So all the given compounds are cyclic, and for any cyclic to show geometrical isomerism, it must contain minimum 2 sp3 hybridized atom which have individually different units attached on it. So A must not equal to B and D must not equal to E. If this condition is followed, then molecule will show GI. So if we take example first, now in this example we have 2 sp3 hybridized atom, but these units are identical, so this molecule will not show GI around this carbon. Now if we take example B, now in this example these two are sp3 hybridized carbon which are having different units, so this molecule will show GI. Now this molecule we require minimum 2 carbon atom. If more than 2 carbon atom or more than 2 sp3 hybridized atoms are present, then still molecule will show GI. Now this molecule will also show GI with any of the 2 carbon, so this molecule will show GI. Now in this molecule we have more than 2 sp3 hybridized carbon which are having individually different unit, so this molecule will also show GI. So B, C and D will show GI while A option will not show GI, and hence correct answer is A.